This is a picture of something she did in front of my door. I want everybody to see that. She said I'm doing witchcraft, which I don't really know what the hell she's talking about. But I want y'all to know exactly see that. This is I don't know what the hell is that on the it's in front. And then let me show you again where she has some other shit that I don't fucking know what the fuck it is. So let's just keep walking, keep walking. The front door, which is you know, is the how do you call it? The lock is broke, so we use the back door. And then when you come over here, this is another one. And then I don't know what the hell it is, but I know this is some bloods and all the shit that she did. You know, some salt, you know, charcoal and all that shit. So let's look at that. And she said I'm doing, but she so called that she's a Christian, huh?
Let's take a picture because a judge not gonna let you video because of what you're saying.
What I said?
You're cursing.
Oh, this is freedom of speech. Yeah, you can
He's
no.